Hello everyone. In my today's video, I will show you how to create AWS account, what are the basic details which you need to provide while creating AWS accounts, and what are the prerequisites for creating AWS account. So let's quickly start creating AWS account and see how it happens. The first thing is just check for the account creation steps. So I'll just go to Google and I'll check for AWS account create as an option, and I'll hit on the option to create an AWS account. So as I hit on option to create AWS account, it just opens me a window where it says that create an AWS account. So I click on create an AWS account and it is going to take me to the page wherein I'll have to start providing some basic details, which is needed for me to create an AWS account. Like the way you create an account in any of the social website, it will also ask for your email address, all the basic details, which is account name, while creating AWS account. So just provide it. So I'm going to provide my email address and I will provide DevOps demo education as the username. I will just make a note of username which I'm providing so that I can use it. And I will hit on verify email address. So what I did till now, once I opened the window to start signing up for AWS account creation, the first thing which it asked is my email address and my user account name, which I already provided. And now I will hit on the button which says verify email address, so that the email address which I have provided as of now can be validated and its authenticity can be judged. So as I hit on verify, it sends a verification code on my email address. I go to my email address and I can see that yes, I do have the verification code which is in my email ID for now. So I just got it. It's 120499. Certainly verification code which you get in your email will be different from what I get. So don't just put the verification code which I am putting as of now. Check for verification code which you either get in your inbox or you get in your spam and put it in this verification code section. Hit on verify and it says that, okay, fine, your email address has been successfully verified. Now it's the time you start providing your password. Now I'll provide my root user password. So I'm just providing a password. Okay. So I have just provided a password and let me just retype it. Okay. So I've just retyped my password and I will hit on continue step 1 of 5. So in total, it is having 5 steps to create an AWS account. I've just completed step 1 while creating AWS account. So now I hit on continue step 1 of 5. And it says that the password is publicly known through a data set leaked from third party. Please try a different password. So perhaps I need to provide another password. So let me just use another password. Let's see if that works. Okay. Let's see if it works. It seems it worked. So yes, I have provided a new password and it worked. Now, next thing is it's asking for certain basic details, which includes my contact information, whether I want to create it for business purpose, for personal purpose, for what purpose I want to create it. It's asking for all these basic details. So yes, it's asking my full name, my phone number, which country, geographical location I belong to, and other things. So I'll just go ahead and quickly fill these details, and post that we'll move to our next step. Okay, so as I have provided my all the details, which is full name, phone number, country, address, and all, it will just look for me to hit my reach out to my another step, which is continuous step 2 of 5. So now hit on continuous step 2 of 5. Let's see in case if I'm missing anything. So it says it's asking whether it's a personal account or you're going to use it for business purpose. So it's my personal account. So I'm going to use it for my personal need. And as I hit on this, it says that the address entered is invalid. Please check the country or state, city, postal code. I think it's asking for postal code because it's wrong. And as I hit on this, this is something which you need to provide as a basic details, because AWS wants to verify your billing information. And this is important because you're going to use AWS as the account or AWS platform where you can create certain resources. Eventually, you're going to use AWS platform to create resources, which you will use perhaps for your lab purpose. And certainly, AWS will incur certain charges if you exceed free tier limit. And in order to verify that you will be able to pay to AWS in case if you cross your free tier limit or not, you have to provide these all details. So it's pretty much important for you to provide all these details. So you need to provide your credit, debit card details and everything. So I'll just provide my credit and debit card details and I'll hit on verify and continue to proceed further. Okay, so as I provide all my details, which includes my debit card details, expiration date, security code, card holder's name and everything, it asks me to verify and continue. I will hit on verify and continue. As I hit on verify and continue, it will just try to verify my credit or debit card details which I provided, and it will ask me to pay certain basic amount which is needed for entire enrollment or sign up process to complete. Now as you can see, it is asking me to pay certain basic amount which is 2 rupees for this enrollment to complete. As I complete the enrollment, as I complete the payment, it will help me to create an AWS account which will be linked with this specific debit and credit card details. Okay, so as you complete the payment, automatically your account will be created, and post this you will be able to log in. So yes, these are the certain steps which you have to follow in order to complete your AWS account creation process. Thank you for watching my videos. Please post your comments and let me know in case if you are able to find this specific video helpful while creating your AWS account. Thank you everyone for watching.